Hi everybody, we are here. Guess what? We are at one of the Rudy's car washes. And this is, I believe, the one with the Belanger Mitters in the beginning with a Hanna Sherman Infinity Dryer. But we'll see what we got. So anyways, we'll go ahead and move ahead. Okay everybody, there it is. Gonna leave my camera down for all of you for my sake until we can go through here. It's got some Belanger Mitters. And here we go. Looks like everything's just turned on, but if I got the premium, here we go. These mitters don't work in the beginning too. Alrighty guys, and that's it. I'm gonna stop it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed that tunnel. That was really cool. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.